Good day and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Alright, I want to teach you how you could buy USDT on Binance and move straightly into your ConW app. Okay, and so on this aspect I'll be using the both app. First of all, to get money from Binance you need to use the P2P trading. Alright, okay, you can also deposit Naira, but Naira issue has one thing: if Naira is depreciating and dollar is appreciating, your money might likely depreciate a bit. Okay, but I'll be teaching you the P2P, which we'll be using now to help you faster. So when you buy 100 USDT, you know you have 100 USDT, not when you load up to 1000 Naira, for instance, and when you want to use it, we began to see 900, 800 is something. And so let's just go to P2P directly. After the P2P, maybe I will do other video on how to use the Naira deposit to get what you want, because I've done that also and it works for me. So let's go. Now you're going to click P2P trading. If you don't see it here, come to option, you will see P2P there. So but me, I'm using a professional mode. So when you come to option, change it to professional mode, then you will see P2P. You choose P2P. If you didn't see P2P, maybe you are seeing US dollar and US dollar deposit and the rest, just click on the US dollar. Then let me show you. For instance, good. For instance, you did not see this P2P trading here. You did not see this P2P trading. All you just see this card and maybe prevention deposit. So all you just need to do is to click this P2P trading, or click on the option. Is to click on this P2P trading, or click on this option, this image here. Then when you click on it, it will take you to this place. You see the place. When you come here, you go into your setting and set what you want to set. Alright, please, it's not compulsory you use Binance Lite. So you just come to your setting. When you come to your setting, you see currency. You change it to Naira if you are in Nigeria, and if you are in the US, you leave it in US. If you are in UK, you leave it in pounds. Alright, so it's just left for you to do whatever you want to do there. So for me, I prefer using the Naira on P2P. So I'm going to change here to Naira and NGN. So we use the P2P method to teach you what I want. Let's say for instance I want to buy $50, and looking here, $50 is a bit hard because we need to check the price tag. You need to check this price here. This is from 4,000 to 8,000 Naira, 4,000 to 8,000 Naira, 4,000 to 5,000 Naira. You will not see the amount you want easily, but all you just need to do is to come to filter. Click on filter. Now when you click on filter, in the place of amount, put the amount you want to buy. For instance, let's say you want 50 USDT. 50 USDT should be around 40,000 plus. So you click on 40,000 plus, and you click on 40,000, you click on confirm. Now when you click on confirm, you see it gives you the range between 40 and above. Did you get? So I will click it. When I click it, I will choose. I will not buy fiat. I will come to crypto. Click on crypto. Then that is put 50 USDT there. Now you see it has given me what I want. Now you click on buy. When you click on buy with zero fee. You click on buy with zero fee. There's no fee attached to it. Now when you come here, always make sure you read the instruction of the person and ensure not to put crypto related words. Okay, so you read the terms and condition of the person. When you are done, you go back. Now you click on make payments. When you click on make payments, to take you to the portal where you will make payments. Now let me just do it because I don't want to buy, but let me just do it. You click on make payments. Now it takes you here. Look at the person details here. All you just need to do is to click on. You see, please do not write crypto USDT Binance on your payment description. Read carefully. So you copy, and you copy the branch of the bank, which is OPay, and you go directly and deposit. Okay, you go to your bank, transfer the money. When you have transferred the money to the person, please take note. If you allow this time to elapse before you do the transfer, your money has gone, because it only takes a cent to let you know that yes, hey, I really received the money and this is what I want to do. I'm going to put it on buy, then you look for me and send the money. But just make sure you do your transaction within this time frame. Now when you are doing, if you know you're going to delay, click transfer notify seller, transferred notify seller. You click here. But if you do the transfer immediately, also click here. This means that you have transferred the money and you have notified the person that you have sent the money. So Binance will also notify the person. Now when the person receives the alert, it will now release coin for you. But if you allow this time to elapse without payment, Binance will terminate the deal. And you went ahead and transfer money, the person has gotten free money without you getting your crypto, unless it's a God-fearing person and decide to refund the money back to you. If not, the person has gotten your money. So you must work with this time here. Now let's assume all right, so let's assume that I have bought the coin and now I want to transfer to as you buy, the coin will drop instantly either in your spot or your funding. So let's go there. So for you to transfer the Binance fund you have bought or gotten already, it's for you to come to wallet. You come to a wallet. This work to any trading platform. You come to wallet. When you come to wallet, you click please, this is my trading account, so that's why I don't normally have much fun there. You come to deposit. Look at deposit here. You come to deposit, you click on deposit. Now you come here, look at USDT, allow it to load please. You come to USDT, you click on USDT. Remember, what you bought is TRC20, so don't go and do mistake and use ERC20. So you change here, you click here to change this to TRC20. You click on it. When you click on it, look at TRC20 here. Look at TRC20 here. So you click on TRC20. When you click on TRC20, this is your code. Look here. This is what you will copy. This is what you will copy. Now look at this little sub here is the copy. So you click there, it automatically copy. Now I've copied it, so I will go to my Binance. When I come to my Binance, now when you want to withdraw, most of the money was on funding, not spot. So if it's on funding, you just click on withdraw. You click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, so let's look at this now. I have 65 USDT on my Binance already, so I will just click on USDT because that is what I want to transfer. So I'll come look at this first place. This first place is where you paste that wallet address you copied from CoinW that you click deposits. I use CoinW to teach you. You can use a KuCoin, you can use anything to do it. So you come here and paste. Now this place you're going to choose the network. Here you choose the amount you want to drop. Then here you choose the wallet where the money is, if it's your funding or your spot. So let me do it. This place I told you, the first place is to drop your wallet. The second place is to choose the amount. You use TRC20, which is this last one here. This one here, TRC20. You click it and confirm. Now you come here. For instance, you want to transfer $50. You put 50. Okay, always put 1 because of transfer charges. So that if you are transferring 51, what would land is 50. So 1 is for charges. Now, since I've done it, I will just click withdraw. When I click withdraw rather, it takes me here, right? Good. The next thing to do is to click on confirm. When you click on confirm, it takes you to this place. Now when it takes you here, you click on send code. You click on send code. One code will be sent to your email, another one will be, this one will be sent to your number, and this one will be sent to your email. That is just it. So the code that was sent, if I click on it, it starts counting. I click on this, it starts counting. Now the code that was sent to me on my phone number will be here, the first one, while the one that was sent to my email will be here. So that is just it. Just look at, for instance, I've gotten the code. Okay, that is just what to do on this. So guys, I've just taught you on how to transfer money from your Binance to your CoinW. I think the next thing is just to I believe every one of you knows how to open a Binance account. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. There's nothing much on that. So guys, that is all we need to teach you for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and drop your comment in the comment section.